Howdy do! Today we are going to be making a quick and easy watermelon slushie. Here I have some watermelon which I'm slicing. Here I have some ice. My watermelon is ready. Here I have some limes which I'm juicing. Now I'm going to add my ice to my blender. In goes my watermelon. And now I'm adding my lime juice here. And now we're going to blend. So here I'm going to add the rest of my melon. Now we're going to continue blending. That's it. Our slushie is ready to be served. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel. And also remember to turn your notification bells on so you do get notified when we do upload more videos like these. Thanks again for watching. Enough love. Bye.